Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Parathamma, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, GFGC, Gauri Bignor. Welcome for the session 24. In this session, we are going to discuss about the uses and limitation of fund flow statement. In the previous class, we learned about the meaning of fund and meaning and definition of fund flow statement and its objectives. After the completion of this chapter, you are able to analyze the financial performance of the business by using the fund flow statement. After this session, you are able to recognize the purpose of fund flow statement and its limitations. Advantages of fund flow statement. Fund flow analysis help in analysis of the financial position. As we know that the basic financial statement, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet, does not disclose the information regarding the reasons for changes in the value of assets and liabilities between two financial dates. In fund flow analysis, we make the fund flow statement for knowing the reasons for changing in the assets and liabilities. Sometimes we have good financial performance, but we have using our fund in bad area. All these reasons can come only analysis of fund flow statement. It throws light on perplexing questions. Fund flow analysis does not only throw the light on perplexing questions, but it helps us to solve the complicated questions also. It helps in the formation of a realistic dividend policy. Fund flow analysis is helpful for formation of a realistic dividend policy. Net profit is also a source of fund. The analysis of fund flow statement can tell where we are using this fund. On the basis of this analysis, we can decide how much rest of fund can be used for providing the dividend to their existing shareholders. It helps in the proper allocation of resource. The sources of funds are limited if we have good monitoring capacity to check the application of fund. We can use our limited resource in the efficient way. It can only be possible with fund flow analysis. Then it helps in appraising the use of working capital. As we know that working capital is the lifeblood of business. If we use it efficiently, we can grow our business. In fund flow statement, we learn to check the main changes in the working capital and its analysis. This helps us to know where did we mistake in using of working capital. So, fund flow analysis are helpful for the management regarding the effective and efficient use of working capital. It acts as a future guide. Fund flow analysis acts as our future guide because it guides to solve the problems which will arise due to the shortage of our fund. Organization can manage their fund proper way if it has done the analysis proper way. It helps in knowing the overall credit worthiness of a firm. Every bank demands the fund flow statement of past years. All fund flow statements are analyzed under a systematic manner with team. On this basis, loan are given. If banks find that company has misused, then they stop to give loan to such company. As we know, fund flow statement not only benefits for the business concern but also some drawbacks are there. Following are some of the drawbacks we have from the fund flow statement. First one, fund flow statement does not contain the past information, which may be vital information to take quality of the decision at the appropriate time. It is used only for current year. It means the fund flow statement is used only for the decision relating to the current year and not useful for future operation or the decision making. It is not a substitute of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fund flow statement is a statement which is prepared only to get the information regarding the reasons for changes in the value of assets and liabilities between two balance sheet dates. So, this statement is not considered as a substitute of profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fund flow statement only either increase in working capital or decrease in working capital. It shows only the decrease or increasing the working capital, but the effect of transaction between current assets and current liabilities are not included in the fund flow statement. It does not provide any information about the changes in cash which are more important and relevant than working capital. Another drawback from preparation of fund flow statement is it failed to reveal continuous changes. Fund flow statement is also failed to provide the reasons for changes in the assets and liabilities. Next, the accuracy and reliability of fund flow statement is fully depend upon the financial statement. As we know that the fund flow statement is to be prepared only with the help of the trading account and the profit and loss account which is provided in the problem. It means fund flow statement is not is depend upon other financial statements. Fund flow statement is not an original document. It is only a systematic rearrangement of accounting data given in the fund flow statement. Thank you very much for one and all.